Oops! Self-respect check ka muna. Quick self-respect check. Tanong ko lang, masaya ka pa ba? O sanay ka na lang masaktan? Minsan, akala natin, love pa yan. Pero yung totoo, tolerance ka na sa bare minimum. And you accept late replies, mixed signals, and even yung respeto na dapat automatic na pinapakiusapan pa. Let me remind you, hindi ka OA, hindi ka demanding, at hindi ka too much. You're just asking lang for the right things from the wrong person. Self-respect starts when you stop explaining your worth to someone who already chose not to see it. Hindi mo naman kasi kailangan ipaglaban yung taong pinili kang iwan at hindi ilaban. If staying cost your peace, that's not love. That's self-betrayal. So, this time, choose yourself. Hindi dahil selfish ka. Self-aware ka lang. Kung nakarelate ka sa video ko at naintindihan mo yung message na gusto kong iparating, like, comment, and share mo na tong video ko na to. And don't forget to tag your friends na alam mong kailangan niya to. And follow all my accounts sa Facebook page and YouTube account. Yun lang.